Push, 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 push that right. Well done. Hold, hold. Well done. Mark could see exactly the force he was producing, both sides, and try and get them into the training zone. Nearly. There you go, you're in. Hold, Mark, hold. Well done.
Bloody hell. Oh.
I think the important thing to consider for Mark is we have a pretty big asymmetry towards our left. So that gives us exact test results, tells us how hard we've got to work on that right compared to the left. And then with the training zone, he gets that real-time feedback to work a little bit hard on that right side. Well done, Mark. That's 3 down, 2 to go. Without this previously, we're guessing. We know we need to work on the hips, but a little bit of guesswork with the loads and how much we need to do, whereas this tells us exactly. Second last one, Mark. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Beautiful. All right, for this last one, make it a little bit harder. We'll go back down to that 20. I feel like once you warm up those hips a little bit, it's easier, right? So I just got to change the intensity. So we're working at sort of 80% of your max. That's it. Push. Keep going with that right. I think that's another great thing is even in the training zone, it uploads to his file. So we can track, even if we change nothing, we can track how well he's doing over that 6-week block. So it might have started with, for example, average time in the zone. The right leg we'd keep an eye on. If that percentage is increasing, we know we're improving.